So children, our next topic is manuring. What is manuring? When crops are grown continuously in the same field, the soil becomes deficient in some nutrients. This reduces the crop yield. This problem can be overcome by adding manures and fertilizers in the soil. So the process of adding manure to the soil is called manuring. So here we are talking about when क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन कंटिन्यूसली इन द सेम फील्ड, यानी हम जब लगातार किसी एक फील्ड पे ही क्रॉप को ग्रो करते रहते हैं तो थोड़े समय बाद उस फील्ड की सॉइल में न्यूट्रिएंट्स की कमी हो जाती है. ओके और अगर फील्ड में न्यूट्रिएंट्स की कमी हो जाएगी तो हमारा क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन भी सफ़र करेगा. ठीक है. सो इस प्रॉब्लम को दूर करने के लिए, इस प्रॉब्लम से बाहर आने के लिए फार्मर्स अपने क्रॉप फील्ड में मैन्योर और फर्टिलाइजर्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. किसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं? मैन्योर्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स का. ठीक है. तो मैन्योरिंग किस चीज़ को कहा हमने? द प्रोसेस ऑफ एडिंग मैन्योर टू द सॉइल. सॉइल में मैन्योर्स को मिलाना, ऐड करना, क्या कहलाता है? मैन्योरिंग. ओके. देखिए यहाँ पे एक डेफिनेशन है आपके सामने. द सब्सटेंसेस विच आर एडेड टू द सॉइल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स फॉर द हेल्दी ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड व्हाट? दे कॉल्ड मैन्योर्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स. ओके. नाउ these manure and fertilizers supplies mineral nutrients to the crop, and these nutrients are essential for growth of plants. So continuous growing of crops makes the soil poorer in certain nutrient. This we already discussed. Okay. So what I am zooming here, as you are seeing in this slide. What? Look what this block is saying. I saw a healthy crop growing in a farm. In the neighboring farm, the plants were weak. Why do some plants grow better than others? Just see. Because here farmer added the manure in his field. That's why what happened? Here his field become healthy. Okay, now move to the next slide. What we have to see in the next? Therefore, farmers have to add manure to the field to replenish the soil with nutrients, and this process is called manuring. Improper or insufficient manuring result in weak plants. Okay, it means whatever amount of nutrients which required by the plant, if we are not providing it to the, if we are not providing, then what happen? Plants will become weaken. Plants धीरे धीरे कमज़ोर होते चले जाएंगे, है ना. देखिए यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? I saw a healthy crop growing in a farm. In the neighboring farm, the plants were weak. Why do some plants grow better than others? So many reasons are there. Okay. Now come to the next slide. Okay. Before moving to the fertilizer, some more points are there to discuss. So let's talk about the manure. What is manure? So manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plants and animal waste. Manures are added to the soil before or after the seeds are sown. It is rich in humus. Humus, you know what is humus? Yes, dead and decay remains of plant and animals are called as humus, and it is the topmost layer of soil. So This humus is responsible to improve the soil texture, increases its water holding capacity, makes it porous, and increases the soil friendly microbes in it. Okay, so this is the general behavior of manure. One more thing is there. Manure can be classified into three categories. First, farmyard manures. Second, green manure. Third, compost. So let's start with the farmyard manure. What is farmyard manure? It is prepared by the decomposition of farmyard waste like dung, straw, leaves, etc. The second type of manure is what? Green manure, which is prepared by the decomposition of green plants, okay, which plugged along with the soil. When we are doing the plowing, at that moment, whatever small plants are there in the field, they get mixed up with the soil, and in this way soil get green manure. Now the third and last one is compost. What is compost? It is prepared by the decomposition of kitchen waste, weeds, animal waste, etc., and with the help of bacteria and fungi in the soil. So here, for the preparation of compost, bacteria and fungus helps person or people to prepare the compost. Okay, now the next one is fertilizer. What is fertilizer? Fertilizers are chemical substances which are rich in particular nutrients. Okay, if someone asks you that what is the main difference between manure and fertilizers, so fertilizers are nutrient specific. Okay, it means what? If देखो, अगर किसी किसान के खेत में ख़ास तौर पे पोटेशियम की या मैग्नीशियम की या फास्फोरस की कमी है, तो उस कमी को दूर करने के लिए वो खास फर्टिलाइज़र का इस्तेमाल कर सकता है. ठीक है, अगर इस जगह वो मैन्योर को ऐड करेगा तो मैन्योर की सबसे बड़ी वीकनेस कह सकते हैं हम कि मैन्योर न्यूट्रिएंट स्पेसिफिक नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है, जबकि फर्टिलाइज़र्स न्यूट्रिएंट स्पेसिफिक होते हैं. तो अगर किसी किसान के खेत में फास्फोरस की कमी है ना, तो बेटा वो पर्टिकुलर फास्फोरस का फर्टिलाइज़र ला सकता है. ठीक है, तो पर्टिकुलर रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल करा जा सकता है इस तरीके से. सो द यूज ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर्स हैज़ हेल्प्ड फार्मर्स टू गेट बेटर यील्ड ऑफ क्रॉप्स सच एज wheat, paddy and maize. Or in other words, we can say that fertilizers is a chemical compound that is manufactured in factories. Okay, and it provides specific nutrients, phosphorus, potassium, etc. to crop. For example, urea. Urea is the specific source of nitrogen. CAN, C-A-N, CAN, calcium ammonium nitrate. It supplies calcium and nitrogen. Diammonium phosphate supplies nitrogen and phosphorus. So these are some examples of fertilizers. Okay, and the very good thing with these fertilizers are they are very easy to use, easy to transport, and we can store it also very easily. Okay, they are also easily soluble in water and hence easily absorbed by the plants and utilized immediately. Got it, children? Okay, now let's move to the next slide. But remember, excessive use of fertilizer has made the soil less fertile. So fertilizers have also become a source of water pollution. It means if we are going to use the fertilizers in excess, so we people become responsible for creating the water pollution. Okay, and this we don't do in any way. Now come to the advantages of manure. the organic manure is considered better than the fertilizers. Why it is so? Because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. The next is it makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. Okay, and the next is manure increases the number of friendly microbes, and one more is there, it improves the texture of soil. So in this way we can see that there are 4 points by which we can what we can say that these 4 points are the advantages of manure. Okay, got it children? Okay.